China's CITIC Construction signed on Monday an agreement with the municipal administration of Belarus in Angola's capital city of Luanda to donate its vocational training school as a temporary shelter for families affected by heavy rains that hit the region last week. Under the agreement, besides providing free shelter, the BN Angola Vocational Training Center of CITIC also offers essential supplies such as bedding, mattresses, clean water and food.
Em nome da administração municipal de Belas, nosso muito obrigado. Nós estamos a trabalhar com as famílias que aqui estão. Temos perto de 200 famílias nesse momento aqui alocadas. Estamos a prestar todo o apoio.
我们认为呢，这个能够对当地的灾民提供一些帮助，是我们应尽的这种社会的这种义务。我们的灾民这个给他们提供的物资呢，主要提供这个比如床垫呀、被褥啊、饮用水、食物，还有一些生活上的一些物品啊，这样呢能够保证他们这个度过短时间的这种生活上的困难。
Luanda has been the region most affected by heavy rains this wet season since October of last year, with 54 deaths recorded.